up, guys? Good morning. Got my mic and my DJI Osmo pocket, and we're ready to start the vlog. It's me and Eddie.
Hello.
We are finally in Oakhurst, which is our, I think, final charge before we get to our campsite, which is Wawona Campground, campsite number 2. And we got it pretty last minute, so I'm pretty excited because it seems like a really good campground. So we left at 4:30 and it is 11:44 Oakhurst territory now. We're here, obviously, and I'm going to show you the map of like exactly where our campsite is. But the volunteer here, he was like, you guys have one of the best spots on this whole place. So I don't know if you can hear, but the river, there's a river and it's right over there. I'll show you in a bit. What you doing?
Staking down tent so it doesn't fly away at night when you're sleeping.
With our new hatchet.
With the new hatchet.
Because it is officially fall, we brought this fall table cover. It's not cloth. It's so cute, I can't. Look at her spoon, it's so cute. So cute. Good job. We bought a salad at the hotel because we need our veggies. First one to find 2 rocks wins. I found one. This is our tent. Sponsored by Sylvan Sport. And our cots. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you thought I was sleeping on the ground? No. No. Okay, guys, a little bit of an update. We went on a challenging walk to, what was the trail name? Chilnuwana Falls. It was pretty little right now. I think it's the time of the year, but it was such a challenging hike or walk, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, we went to the general store, bought an ice cream, some wood, some firewood, because apparently you can have a fire here. We were told no by our AI and our Tesla, but they lied.
Tonight, we're going with the Philly cheesesteak. Got the peppers and onion. I know some people say it's no peppers, but I'm putting peppers in there. Got some steak up there. Provolone. A little French bread. So, see how it turns out?
Ooh, I'm excited. We have condiments. We have this stove that I got for Christmas 2 years ago. That
2 years, two years ago? 3 years ago?
2 or 3 years ago. That we are finally using.
Pro tip, prep your food the night before. That way when you're out camping, it's easy. You don't have to cut nothing.
Way easier.
Everything's ready. You just throw it in the pan and it's good to go.
Unless that's what you're trying to do, but that's not what we're trying to do. We got it going on, guys.
Got the plates ready? Can't
Yeah.
open this shit either.
Guys, look at this Philly. Good job, babe.
Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak with mustard, mayo, peppers, onion, and yeah, steak. Look at this beaut. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The fire has been started.
Hey, Mom. Love you.
Good morning, everyone. It is 7:20 in the morning. It's pretty cold. It's chilly. Do you know how cold it is right now?
55.
55. our coffee from the Big Island. Thanks to Eric.
I've done it with a filter, so I've only practiced without filters.
So I don't know if you can tell, but coffee is percolating.
Percolating.
See that? Percolate.
Nice. Percolated coffee test. Let's see. Some grounds for sure in there. Color's good.
Looks good though.
Yeah, color's really good.
Not too many grounds,
No,
I think.
it's just I got a lot because they were built up already.
Oops.
Yep.
This is my first time using my Yeti, I think.
Probably. You got it at Dick's, right? When we did one with Pro and Air?
Yeah.
It's gonna be very hot. This is a boiling water.
We hung out by the fire with our coffee. 2 cups of coffee each.
3 for me.
3 for you. And yeah, we're just hanging out. Time to eat. Hang out some more and pack. Salt and pepper. We are officially packed up. Everything's gone. Almost everything is 11:30. Let's go to the river, take some pictures, and go on our way. Different area than we came yesterday, but it's not too deep. Probably nice to swim in. I'm sure the bears like to come here.
Yes. Come outside, it's warm.
We're taking a shuttle to see some sequoias. Everything in the car except my phone. But look at these sequoias.
Aren't they crazy?
The size of that tree.
These are the biggest trees in the world, you know that?
The world?
The world. These are the biggest trees in the world. You're experiencing them right now.
Yes. Okay. Little update though. Last night we got to the Airbnb, hung out. It was so nice. This place is beautiful. Brianda and Ethan's ceremony is in 2 hours. Yeah, about 2.5 hours, and so we're all getting ready. Woke up at 6:30 to get ready, and yeah. So, update. We're gonna go drive to Yosemite Falls area together. It is about an hour and a half, but there's construction, so hopefully we get there on time. But yeah, yay! On Amazon, y'all. Obviously, I'm wearing heels, but so cute. Our pizza has arrived. Oh my gosh. Woo.
I didn't say hi to you, huh? Are you gonna stay for Julie? Oh, okay.
So cute. DJ Osmo Yeah. I want to.
I want to
Do
but
it.
I'm like,
Oh. We have stopped in Bakersfield. Are we still in Bakersfield?
Yeah.
Oh, at a hotel because we're supercharging. Luckily, they have a lot of chargers here. But yeah, we're gone from Yosemite. It was such a nice day, but it was yeah, the picnic was nice, and I'm glad we came early and got to sightsee a little bit. But yeah, we're heading home now. Look at our car.
Poop on it.
Lots of poop.
Birds got us good.
Oh well.